back to my channel and welcome to my home. I'm Eileen and today I'm going to do a short video on how to thin a wig. Okay, I have on Raquel Welch Voltage in Shadow Shades Golden Wheat. I really like Voltage. I think it's so cute, so edgy. You can really get a lot of volume into her. Let me show you the back. Isn't that a fun back? I really like it. But as the case with me with Raquel Welch wigs, they have a lot of hair right here, just in this area. It's a lot. For me, it feels a little overwhelming. I find myself, if I'm wearing this to work, I find myself pulling this down, pinning it down on the front, trying to get it down a little bit because it's just too much hair for me. And that's been the case with several Raquel Welch wigs I have. So I'm going to show you how to thin it. I'm going to thin it a small amount, just a little bit right here, just to take a little bit of this bulk out. And I think that I will like it a lot better. So I'll show you step by step and let's get started. Okay guys, all right, I have put my wig onto my little wig stand here, and what we're gonna need is you're gonna need some wig pins, okay? And I usually go through the ear tabs, pin it good. Now you're gonna really wanna pin this well because you're gonna be pulling on it a lot and you don't want it to come off while you're trying to work with it. So I'll put a few pins in it. I usually put one back here in the back just because I know I'm gonna be pulling on her a little bit, all right? You're gonna need just some kind of a brush or a comb. I use this because I like to use this little end piece. I have a comb. I have a clip, and I have my thinning shears, okay? All right, now, I know I don't want to really do anything with the bangs. I like them. I just want to do a little bit in this area right on the top where I showed you earlier. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to use the end of this brush and I'm going to do a zigzag. And I'm going to pick up some hair here, zigzag right here, and I'm going to pick this up, and I want to get a good bit here of hair, and I'm not going to cut this. You're never going to cut this because you don't want to get, you could get some flyaways in here if you don't cut it down short enough. You don't want that, and this area will lay on top, okay? So you won't ever see any flyaways or anything like that. So let me show you that again. Here's the front. I'm going in, I'm zigzagging through, I'm getting a good bit of hair, and I am going to just twist that and put it off to the side. And I'll use this clip just to clip it out of my way. Like I said, that's not going to get cut. So I'm just going to cut a little bit through here. Again, there's my bangs. I don't want to mess with my bangs. I like them okay. I'm going to zigzag through, and I'm going to pick up a little bit here. Okay? So I've got that picked up right there, and I've got it pulled up pretty tight. Now, I have my shears, and the ends of my shears, that serrated part, I want to the bottom, against the scalp of the wig. Against the cap, okay? And I'm going to cut like in 3 little paces. So I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go down, push down, one clip, pull it out. In, push down against the scalp, one clip, pull it out. Same here, push down, one clip, pull it out. Okay, you'll see that takes out a good bit of hair. And I get my comb, and I'm just going to pull out the rest of that hair. Okay, now I'm pulling it over and putting this in the clip. And I'm not going to do too much more. I'm just wanting to thin this front part again. All right, zigzag. Pull up some hair. There we go. Again, pull it up pretty tight. Got my shears. Serrated part to the cap. Go in, one clip, pull up, down, one clip, pull out, And one more. Go in, one clip, pull out. Okay. Take my comb, just brush through it. All the extra hair out that you trimmed. And you see, I've got a little bit of hair going here that I've taken out. I'm going to pull that over and we'll clip it. I'm probably just going to do one more little piece here, and I think that'll probably be enough, but I'll try it on, and if I need to do more, I can. Less is always more in this situation, because you can always go back and take a little more out if you need to. One more time. They're on the bottom, down against the scalp, one cut, out, down against the scalp, one cut out, and I got one more I want to do. One cut out. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. Now I'm going to try it on. See, now we've got all of our hair back over here. Kind of brush through it and get out the extra. I can already tell that's going to be better. All right, and you can see just with those few little snips, I took out a good bit of hair. Okay, so let me try it on, and we will see if I need to do some more. Okay guys, I'm back. All right, I slipped back into my voltage, and I can tell you already this is a ton better for me. It is not nearly as thick through here. It's not nearly as bulky to where it was just feeling like it was so much hair there. I wouldn't have to feel like I had to pin it down to wear it. It's much, much better. And you can see I only made about, what, 9 little cuts, but it did take out that much hair. And you just want to be careful because you can get it too thin really fast. So definitely in this case, less is more. And I'm really, really happy with it. I think it's great. I'm not going to do anything with the bangs. I like the bangs kind of long, but I'm really happy that I did that on the top. Looks much better. If you'd like to see a review on this voltage, please just let me know, and I'd be happy to do one because it is a fun, cute little wig. And until next time, I hope you got something out of this, and I'll see you again on my channel. And remember, we're all in this together.